Hello, good afternoon. My name is Esther Tio Minar Erawati Silalai. I'm master student in Rio University, currently work at Lab Specialist in PT Sepram Pacific Indonesia. US EPA, German EPA, and even World Health Organizations concerned about polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. This compound is pollutant that harmful for human and organism environmental. So many researchers study about this. I'm here today to present the comparison of extraction technique for the determination of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon in soil. PAH are hydrocarbons, organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen that compose of multiple aromatic rings, consists of two or more benzene rings, lipophilic, non-polar. Some PAHs persistent, bioaccumulative, and toxic for human and other organisms because low soluble in water. PHs are widely distributed in environmental and water sources as a result of combustion of biomass and fossil fuel. The combustion may cause by human activities such as forest fire, industrial, and traffic naturally happen from the volcanic eruption or oil seepage. In 1977, the US EPA added the 16 PAH to the list of priority pollutant because the hazardous. The US EPA established the method for extraction. They are 3,540 for the chocolate, 3,550 for the ultrasonic. Soil sample need is 15 gram and 30 gram. The solvent is not really different. They can use the same solvent. The extraction time is 16 to 24 for chocolate while ultrasonic only 3 minutes. Solvent volume 300 ml, ultrasonic only 100 ml. The methodology experiment starting from optimization of detection pH in HPLC by setting up the HPLC operation system and then determine of limit of detection and limit of quantification. The continue to the select extraction method and chemical use and cleanup or pre-concentration. The accuracy test is used for determination of the most efficient and optimum method. Then for that method continue to determine the LOG. The extraction apply is ultrasonic, vortex checkers, and soclitation. Each method use 20 gram sample, solvent use mixture dichloromethanes acetone 9 to 1. Time for sonic 20 minutes, shaker 30 minutes, chocolate 16 hour. The process sonic shaker conducted 3 times and clear paste collected in the clean bottle for jar and for the next step. All the extract sample need to reduce with rotary evaporator to 5 ml and then continue blow in the nitrogen gas until we get 2 milliliter for the solid phase extractions. The SP need to condition first with 5 ml methanol and then continue 1 ml of 40% water in extraction solvent. The extract sample loaded to SPE and allow for a while so the silica can hold the desired component. Gently vacuum apply less than 2 ml per minute and then elution process with 2 times 1 ml of dichloromethane and continue 3 times 1 solvent extraction. The solvent need to change for HPLC measurement. So the eluate is dry by nitrogen gas and then residue dissolved with 1 ml of mixture acetonitrile and methanol 9 to 1. The sample measured in HPLC from Agilent with UV diode array detector in 220, 230, and 254 nanometer in column Zorba Eclipse PAH with temperature 30 and volume injection 15 microliter. The grammable phase is use of water and acetonitrile 60 to 40 until 30 minutes. The result of separation in column PLC, so the first peak appear at 7 minutes is for naphthalene until the last compound 24.7 minutes for indenopyran. The absorbance show at 220 naphthalene have high intensity while acetonitrile high absorbance at 230 nanometer. The other 14 compounds have nice separation and select and detection in at 254 nanometer. The calibration curve calibrated from the leading pH standard from Supelco at least 4 point calibration from the lowest 20 ppb to 10,000 ppb. The linearity show good result as coefficient realization minimum 0.9993 to 1 in conform with the APL 8000 with the coefficient minimum 0.995. This table is HPLC performance for the 16 PAH. So the chrysanis have the lowest LOD and the highest is benzopyrrolate is around 100 ppb. The implementation method was conducted for 6 pH compound. From the recovery results, so the ultrasonic have good result for naphthalene, anthalene, and pyran compared to the other two methods, and still have good recovery for anthracene, benzopyran, and doniparan more than 80%. Second, so good high recovery for anthracene, benzopyran, and indonopyran. Chocolate saw low recovery for pH for ring more than 3, less than 3, and might be because the high temperature of extraction that probably evaporated or oxidized because pH for below 3 rings tend to easy volatile and compared to the ring 4 and more. The ANOVA test for 3 methods show almost all methods not significant different except the anthracene. Chocolate significant different this conform with the percent recovery is lower than others. The naphthalene has homogeneous result because the 3 method has a lower concentration, recovery concentration. Besides the recovery, ultrasonic and shaker have need small amount of solvent and also short time 20 minutes and 30 minutes. For the ultrasonic method, continue to determine LOQ by reading 7 times samples and LOQ for 6 pH, so that the lowest is pyran and the highest is benzoanthracene. We can conclude the extraction pH for cells method by using ultrasonic in the mixture of dichloromethanes and acetone show good recovery for most of pH. For pH ring 3 and less, ultrasonic show the most optimum result. For pH ring 4 or more, our method show good recovery except for the chocolate method show relatively low below 80% for the pyran, benzopyran, and indenos 1 to 3 pyran. That's the comparison extraction method that I can share for you. Thank you.